said, what shall we do and where shall we go? They asked him again, he said, I do not know. I want to stay, I want to go. Well, Colombia calls me, it is my home. I want to visit El Cajon. It's too far that I know. I wander around, what do I see? Not a man, hey, 'cause it's me. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Italian Minestrone. If I could get around possibly these gentlemen over here, thank you very much. Give yourselves a very talk to me, 5 bands by power. So it's something we do every week on the Noise Box. Casey's Jazz Corner. Casey, your jazz picks this week. Who's hot, who's not? All right, we'll wait for Casey's picks after the break. Well, I was riding down at Ocean Beach. A surf Nazi army man, they came up to me. They said, man, where you going with that boogie board in your hand? Said, man, I got you where I want you, right in the palm of my hand. Surf Nazi coming. What you gonna do? There's something real late at night. Surf Nazi army man, they come out of the light. They'll tell you the things that you never heard. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. As promised, after the break, Casey's Jazz Picks. Casey, you're going to pose the question again. Once again, man, on the jazz tip. On the jazz tip, Casey.
Drum head. Anybody looking out there?
Anybody in the dorms tonight got a snare drum head that we could borrow?
Or just a snare?
Or just a snare? So Eric's going to use these. Ladies and gentlemen, we got technical difficulties, but we're going to go on with the show. The snare drum ain't going to sound as good as we'd like it to. But Trevor just called out the Happus Cappus selection this evening. Happus Cappus.
Yeah, here we go, duct tape.
Duct tape. Happus Cappus while they go get duct tape, and we'll be back with Casey's Jazz Picks. I know you're in suspense. Ladies and gentlemen, that was called Happus Cappus, that song right there. Eric, what we're doing, for those of you who don't know, is thank you, by the way. Those you don't know, is going to apply some of the clear packaging tape over the broken snare drum. It needs a lot, so I'm going to give him the tape roll. But the question everyone's been waiting for this evening, Casey's Jazz Picks. Who's hot and who's not, Casey? They've had to wait through 2 songs. Who's fresh on the scene right now?
Come on, Dave. Look at the camera. You don't need a shirt.
Casey's having a few problems talking here, ladies and gentlemen. Lost his tongue in a car accident, been transplanted with a baboon's tongue. He's just getting used to it. He's got a little bit of a speech impediment. Bear with me. Casey? Is that his first record?
Tuesday morning, she rolled in. She smelled as cheap as her perfume. My name's Dick Spade, Private Eye. This is my story. 6 lonely guys and instruments get together on the weekends, play in the garage. Call it Turkey Mallet. This is our story. In 1980, a crack commando unit.
What's the beginning of 18?
In 1980, a crack commando unit seeks refuge in the LA underground.
Anyway, we got some stuff to give away here. Can I give away some stuff? Did I get a yes or no? We get it. We get the thumbs up from the control room. But Casey, I want to hear a little more about. Now we heard about the new jazz album. Who's not hot right now? What? Give me a little background. Give me a feel for who's not so hot on the jazz scene right now. Is this his first album? Oh, he played with Charlie Parker. Okay. Okay, great. So pick that up at your local record store.
It's such a good song. Here we go. We're gonna.
What? Yeah, I'm getting some weird signals at home, ladies and gentlemen. Moving right along with the show. Rim shots, huh? So we got some rim shots. Can we get some rim shots in a few seconds to test out the guy? You recommend rim shots? Well, Ronnie recommends rim shots if the snare's broken. If anybody at home has a snare drum, please call up KSDT. And, there we go. So, thank you, Ronnie, for the... A winner already for the James Bond tickets. The name? Frizzly. Winner of the James Bond tickets.
Frizzly! Frizzly! Let's take a Frizzly! Yeah, Frizzly!
All right. Enough with the Turkey Mallet cavalcade.
It's 420.
Okay.
Yeah, 440.
So this next song we're gonna play is called Snake Oil Willie. Yeah, that's our new snare tone in the original punk vein. It sounds kind of like Misfits, My Minor Threat mix. Okay. Okay. Punk rock. This is what we call the punk rock set. Punk rock. All right, this song is called Snake Oil Willie. I want to thank Casey for his jazz corner. Can we get a round of applause for Casey? Yeah! Jazz corner, Casey's corner. All right. Casey, I hope the tongue works out for you. Had a grandpa who did the heart thing from a baboon. It worked out okay, so I got every faith in you.
Turkey Mallet. Play Snake Oil Willie.
Here's Snake Oil Willie, ladies and gentlemen. Sounds good? All right. We got thumbs up all around, and we're going to proceed with the next song.
Rowdy Piper.
I just want to die. Snake off the left. Snake off the left. We're gonna. It's the band is yeah. When we go play an instrumental. Go get it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go get some duct tape out of our van. But these guys are gonna play a wonderful instrumental for you. I think you'll really enjoy it. And if you got any questions, you can talk to Casey.
This one's a blues.
So everybody, this is the key to our success. You like that? Those of you who are into rock and roll, into live music and rock and roll. Oh my God, this Saturday, down in Ocean Beach, there's this band playing. They're called Turkey Mallet, and they're these guys right here, and they're really good. They're really good. No one, like, we don't even know if anyone's gonna come see them because it's like last minute notice. So they're playing at a place called Java Joe's Coffee House in Ocean Beach. Camera over here. They're at the Java Joe's in Ocean Beach, Turkey Mallet, and Steve Harris and the conglomerate or whatever. So it's gonna be a good show. So I hope everybody comes down. You see what video this is? It's you sipping espresso at Java Joe's. What? Oh, this Saturday, November the 23rd, Java Joe's, us, 8:45 p.m., Turkey Mallet hits the stage, 8:45, Java Joe's, Ocean Beach.
Any jokes, Matt?
Okay, this is joke corner. Hey, Trevor,
Yes, Matt.
what did the cannibal say after he dumped his wife?
What?
Let me rephrase this joke. Scratch that. What did the cannibal do? What did the cannibal do when he dumped his wife?
What?
Wiped his bum.
Whoa!
Holy macanoli. I'm telling you. Kids, it takes a lot of chutzpah to get up here and do this, all right? I don't know if we can show that on television.
You know colleges are into art.
You guys want to... Hey, Trevor, on the topic of college and art, you want to do a little more art? Friday, 8 a.m. Feeling nature. Reach out. Her hand is around my throat. Don't feed the birds! Don't feed the birds! Thank you very much. Turkey Mallet actually got $10,000 from the National Endowment of the Arts to do that piece called Don't Feed the Birds. It was coincided with a public service announcement, and that video is shown at the San Diego Zoo. Those of you who want to know why I'm talking so much, our drummer's snare broke and he's repairing it with duct tape. So while he's repairing with duct tape, we're filling what they call in technical terms dead air. Okay, so we're gonna fill this dead air. Stevie Ray Vaughan's new album. It's not necessarily new, but it's Stevie Ray Vaughan. It's called Live Alive. We like it a lot. Dustin, you can hear songs like this on Live Alive. I'm standing on in a crossfire. That's a selection by Stevie Ray Vaughan that you can discover on Live Alive, a collection of Stevie Ray Vaughan's live hits. Now back to Turkey Mallet. Enough of this dog and pony show. Turkey Mallet is back in action.
This is what's called House of Death.
House of Death, ladies and gentlemen. House of Death.
All your records are out of order.
circus with tossing candies.
Ladies and gentlemen, this song is called Ching, Ching, Chitty, Ching, Chitty, Ching, 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 Chow Wah! Ching, Chow Wah! This goes out to our good friends here at KSDT and the Noise Box. right, Turkey Mallet. Thank you very much, guys, for playing in the studio. Thanks for letting me come up here and be in front of you guys. I'm a big fan. And, hello? Okay, so everything's sounding good.
How the snares sound in there?
Is it sounding okay? Okay, great. Well, you know what? For our next song, we're going to do, we're taking a request.
Snares sound fine?
Does the camera girl have a request? Camera girls? Request?
Camera girls.
Let's do Brang.
Off and oil.
We'll just do Brang.
Okay, we'll do Brang and then we'll try to figure
This song is called Brang. And that is a close-up on Casey. If we could get a little close-up action on there. All right. Best snare Ronnie's ever heard. So. That's our punks. That was called Punk Sonata 3. Punk Sonata number 3. Got a bed, visualize on my head, nowhere to go and nothing to do. I sit around, look at you. Brang! It's too late, I wanna leave. I punch out the clock and I roll up my sleeve. There was a time when I thought I had a brain. I'd like to tell you, but I just can't explain. Get home, close my eyes, feel the water on my face, I don't know where I'm going, and still, that was what I wanna go. Oh, come on, because you know what I'm thinking, my, Brang! Brang! I don't know what happened. I don't know what to say. Get home and close your eyes. Wax on the fish. You want it. You got it. You want it. Got it! Swept up in the backyard, sweep the floor to me. Where's the gold in your heart? I told you to need a brain.
Come on, dude, let's go!
I said a 1. I said a 2-2. A cha-cha-cha. Every moment is a waste of time. One more minute I'll lose my resistance is delivering with nothing to everything to kill level and I was in you all by myself. When I was in my time was someone else. And I was like the day I raised. All these times will change. Bit on my hip, remixation sound. 11, Can we break this down? No. I think I'll run so we walk onto that street. I just said a little bit of a salami. Well, it's facing, and again, I'm in trouble and I need a friend. All these times, I wish you were near. All these times, I wish you were here. All these times, in a waste That's a time I could take. If it's something like a rip it, come on, like a tapata, and if I pick up hot dogs, like a papa, hip, You wanna rock? I tell you, ladies and gentlemen. This song, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be performed first time for the continental United States here tonight. Composed by. Oh, we're going to get to that. We're going to get to that. We haven't played Lobster Boy in a long time, but we will do what you're talking about. You want to keep it hush hush. We don't know Secret Agent Man, but we know Super Funky Man, MCB.
It's a new song. It's debuted tonight. You'll see it first here tonight.
Feel the love here.
You guys want to play along at home? It's E to F sharp to A.
E to F sharp to A.
Yeah, I said, come on. Bring it down a little bit. Little Gina left her town last night. Going out to Hollywood, gonna make it all right. Yeah. She wants to be a big old movie star, yeah. Keep on singing your song. I said, keep on singing your song. Yeah! I said, keep on singing your song. One more time. Yeah! I said, keep on singing your song. Yeah! One more time. Keep on singing your song. Little Bobby working on the docks. Little Bobby working on the docks.
working for some minimum wage. He got no home, he got no life, he got no woman. But all he's got is his song. All he's got is a song. I said, come on, let's go! Keep on singing your song. Keep on singing your song. Yeah, yeah, oh, oh. Keep on singing your song. I'm not trying to rap it. Keep on singing your song. I mean, keep on singing your song. I said, keep on singing your song. I said, keep on singing your song. Thank you very much. We like to get a little bluesy now and then. We're a serious band too, ladies and gentlemen. You got to remember that. Remember, for those of you who are all alone tonight,
You see the
up late
debut
studying.
of our first. What happened here? What, come on.
keep on singing your song in the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson. Can we get him on camera? One more song. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But if I should ever survive with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But if I see you hanging about, it's such a crime. But if you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, oh, it's not unusual. It happens every day, no matter what they say. You'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do what you want it to. Why can't this crazy love be more? You'll find it happens all the time. Thank you, everybody. Have a good night. Ladies and gentlemen,
Thanks for
Thank
everything,
you.
everybody.
thanks for everything. Thanks to Noisebox, SRTV. Ronnie the sound man for making it sound so darn good. Turkey Mallet playing this Saturday, November the 23rd at 8:45 at Java Joe's Coffee House, all
Plug it in,
ages,
plug it in.
in Ocean Beach. Shameless plug, shameless plug, shameless plug. Yeah.
You had Special K with bananas.
And that was Turkey Mallet with a song, a noise box. And now we're gonna have the interview. I am Miguel, your host. I am the director of Noise Box, and here we have Turkey Mallet. Interview here. All right.
Mailbag Day! Mailbag Day! Hey everybody, it's Mailbag Day! Here's a letter from John Vitti, Watertown, Massachusetts. Dear Space Ghost, Wonder Woman is at the front door. Batgirl is at the back door. Where do you go first? Wonder Woman is hotter.
Yeah, but Batgirl's old man is police commissioner, Commissioner Gordon. So, when the old geezer retires...
Ooh, Commissioner Space Ghost.
Exactly. Here's another letter. Dear Space Ghost,